Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in your Keap app or your Infusionsoft account um, using the upload method, uploading a spreadsheet or CSV file. So our CSV file is ready. Um, in the columns there, I put first name, last name, and then email addresses of the contacts. So now my task is to upload them here in Keap. So I'm here in the Keap dashboard, and where do we go? We go to contacts, and then click this little plus sign here, and click import contacts. Let's see. We don't need Google Contacts at the moment. Yeah, we do spreadsheet. My spreadsheet. Right. So, okay. From Excel and CSV files. All right. Let's click that. So it says, pro tip, our CSV template can be opened in most spreadsheet apps. First, upload your file. You can import CSV, XLSX, and XLS files. Convert your file to one of those or use the download template for easier data matching. So you're going to match the data that's on your CSV or spreadsheet and into the fields on Keap. But anyway, as I said, I already have the first name, last name, and email. So upload your files here or browse. Okay, so let's do it. Let's upload this here. Um, all of your fields were automatically matched. Okay, so I've got 512 contacts in my spreadsheet. Okay. And these are the fields that were matched, the first name, last name, and email, right? So Keap is actually very intelligent. Even if you kind of interchanged these three, Keap will recognize that it is for the first name, the last name, and the email. Okay, let's go to next. One last thing, are these contacts expecting marketing emails from you? Yes, I think so. Because you've obtained permission to market to these contacts, you may send them marketing emails. Apply tags optional. So if you would like to tag them, you can, or if you don't have anything in mind yet, well, you can skip this part because it's optional. But in my case, let's just check. Mm, okay, let's skip this and go to finish import. Importing contacts, this may take time. You'll be notified when finished. Okay, actually these are the contacts that I added. So that's it. It's done. Let's check back on the on the dashboard and see how many contacts we have now. 2624217. All right. So the contacts are still currently being uploaded by Keap, but nonetheless, that was fast to use the CSV, then add the contacts one by one via email. Although you can do that too. Okay, so I hope you learned something out from this tutorial. And if you have any questions or you would like me to show you or teach you something, please comment down below in the comment section and I'll try my best to help you and get back with a video. Okay, thank you.